going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2thousands.com, and I want to show you how to do a survey on this SurveyPop app. I'm going to do this survey at the top. This is $1.50 for 1 minute time, but you'll see here they have other different surveys that you can take. You can actually watch videos to make money. You can install different apps, play games, check in different stores. But the survey part about it, so I'm going to click on this survey, and this is actually a survey about me cashing out because I just recently cashed out like yesterday. And I'm just going to ask for any suggestions on how we can improve the SurveyPop. I always think any app or any website can always add more ways to make money. That's going to be my answer for this one. So I'm going to type that in and click on next. And you're going to ask me to rate the app. It really is a good app. I do give it a 10. I highly recommend it. And then I'll submit it. And just like that, I got $1.50 for doing that. So now my balance is $1.62 because I had 12 cents in my account already. So when it comes to cashing out, you need a minimum of $5. Here are all the options they have as far as cashing out: Visa, PayPal, Amazon. They got restaurants, different retail stores, lots of different ways you can cash out. You can even donate. If I scroll down to the bottom, you can donate, your money, whatever the case may be. But this really is a good app. I've been using it for a while. Like I said, it's a $5 minimum. The surveys do not take that long. When it says, it was a minute, that was really less than 30 seconds, and a lot of their surveys are like that. They might have some that say 5 minutes, but you might get it done in 3 minutes. So this is one of those sites where they really over deliver. It's under promise, over deliver. So that's why I really like it. They've been around for a while. I've cashed out plenty of times. So I highly recommend you get involved with this site or this app. I'll leave the link at the bottom of this video in the description so you can click on it and you can sign up, download it, all that kind of good stuff. It's completely free to use. Like I said, you can get paid to do surveys, get paid to watch videos, games, install different apps. Just going to different stores. You can get 6 cents for just, driving by a store. I mean, you can really, pile up and make some good supplemental income with this app. So get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.